Hello, and welcome to this quick unboxing video of the AAWireless 2 wireless Android Auto hardware device. So this is the retail sealed box. Let's look around the box to see what's on it. On the top of the box, you have this factory sealed sticker here that wraps around the side. You've got another barcode sticker here that says it's the AAWireless 2. Made in Europe. You've got a model name up here, AAW002. If we flip to the side, we see a little QR code there. It says made in the EU. Flipping it around, we've got some text on the box here that says wireless Android Auto adapter. Flipping to the back side, we've got a bunch of text on the back side talking about how the AAWireless 2 is manufactured, distributed, and sold by AAWireless. And the model here says AAW2, manufacturer AAWireless, address in the Netherlands, and made in Europe. Over here on the other side, we've got a few icons on the box. One icon that says plug the AAWireless into your car, connect your phone to the AAWireless, and enjoy Android Auto wirelessly. And the bottom of the box is blank. So this again is a hardware device that allows you to use Android Auto capabilities wirelessly on a car that does not support wireless Android Auto. So let's open up the box to see what we've got inside. We've got to cut this factory sealed sticker over here. That allows us to slide off the outer sleeve of the box, put it to the side there, and then we've got the inner box here, which contains a few little thumb cutouts that allow you to slide the top of the box open. So let's do that. And then inside, we've got a little cardboard housing. It's got the AAWireless 2 hardware device nestled in the perfect little cardboard cutout with some little finger cutouts that allow you to pull it out and see the hardware device. So the hardware device itself on the top has a single button and the text AAWireless 2 with their logo. If we look around the side, it is curved and wraps around curved for that plane of the device. On the back, we've got some more text, and this text says the model AAW2. It's got the input voltage, the manufacturer, AAWireless in the Netherlands, and made in Europe, along with a bunch of icons down there. One of the sides is blank here. You'll see there's nothing on there. And on the other side, we've got a little QR code sticker plus a USB-C port. And that's it. It's a very small device. You can see it fits easily in the palm of your hand. And it's very lightweight. Doesn't weigh much. So what else is inside the box? If we put this to the side and pull the inner cardboard out of the box, set that aside here. Inside, we can see that it comes with a USB cable with a little rubber band around it. Small, short, braided USB cable, but that's sufficient. That's all you need. You can see that it's got two ends. One of them is USB-A, and the other is USB-C. The USB-C will get plugged right into the Android Auto device itself there, and the USB-A is for plugging into your car. Most cars that do not support wireless Android Auto will have a USB-A port, and so that's why this type of cable is included. So that's great. What else do we got inside the box? Well, we've got a little paper manual, AAWireless 2, and they label this an installation guide and legal manual. So this has the instructions for getting set up. They've got instructions in different languages, starts out with an easy setup, and goes into a little bit more detail about the functionality of the device, the colors that will get displayed on the LED light, and customer support. And that's it for this unboxing video. Hope you've enjoyed it. This is, again, the AAWireless 2 hardware device that allows you to use Android Auto wirelessly in a car that does not support wireless Android Auto. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.